Why use positive reinforcement with kids for child development? Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool in parenting that can help children develop positive behaviors and habits. Using positive reinforcement with kids in childhood is an effective way to encourage desirable behavior and strengthen parent-child relationships. Here, we will explore the benefits of positive reinforcement in childhood and provide practical tips on how to use it effectively. Using positive reinforcement with kids in childhood has several benefits. 1. Positive reinforcement helps to build a positive relationship between parent and child. By praising and rewarding a child, parents can create a supportive and nurturing environment that helps children feel loved and valued. This strengthens the parent-child bond and encourages children to trust and respect their parents. 2. Positive reinforcement helps children develop positive behaviors and habits. By rewarding desirable behavior, children learn what is expected of them and are motivated to continue engaging in positive behaviors. This can lead to a range of positive outcomes, including better academic performance, improved social skills, and increased self-esteem. 3. Positive reinforcement is a non-punitive approach to discipline that can help children feel safe and secure. Unlike punishment, which focuses on discouraging undesirable behavior, positive reinforcement focuses on encouraging desirable behavior. This creates a positive and supportive environment that encourages children to engage in behaviors that are beneficial to themselves and those around them. To use positive reinforcement effectively with kids in childhood, parents should follow a few guidelines. Firstly, parents should be clear and specific about what behaviors they are rewarding. This helps children understand what is expected of them and what they need to do to earn a reward. For example, instead of saying, "Good job," parents can say, "Great job putting away your toys all by yourself." Secondly, parents should be consistent in their use of positive reinforcement. Rewards should be given every time the desired behavior is displayed, which helps children understand that the behavior is always expected. Inconsistency can lead to confusion and undermine the effectiveness of positive reinforcement. Thirdly, parents should choose rewards that are appropriate for the child's age and interests. Younger children may respond well to stickers or small treats, while older children may prefer privileges or activities they enjoy. It is important to choose rewards that are motivating for the child and aligned with their interests. Fourthly, parents should gradually reduce the frequency of rewards as the behavior becomes more consistent. This helps children develop intrinsic motivation for the behavior, which means they are motivated by the satisfaction they feel from engaging in the behavior, rather than the reward itself. Over time, the reward can be phased out entirely, and the child will continue engaging in the behavior because it has become a habit. In conclusion, positive reinforcement is an effective tool for encouraging desirable behavior in kids in childhood. By using rewards and praise to reinforce positive behaviors, parents can help children develop positive habits and strengthen the parent-child bond. By following these guidelines, parents can help their children develop positive behaviors and habits that will serve